that sneaky Matthew right way back there behind the tires. Sneaky Matthew. Whoa.
Come here, dude. Huh? Come here.
Let me see if restaurants in the hall.
Okay. You see behind the black thing?
Yeah.
He's right behind it. I'm going to move up. Okay. Hold on, let me... We have covering coming.
It was on the
I don't know how much ammo I got.
It's new messages. You have a cat.
Fuck out! Go cover! Go cover!
Whoa!
Hey, Mark, where'd your cover go?
I ran out of ammo.
Hey, Mike, that guy's down. Hey, Mike, you can move up.
Find another barrel. It's a burger factory.
Move up! Move up! Move up! Move up! Cindy, move up! Cindy, move up! Cindy, move up! You gotta move up! Move a level up! Yes, move up! Hey, keep an eye on the flag now. You got me, bud? I got it? Yeah.
Possibly.
I know, I can see that. Hang on, Hero. Take it between barrels. Don't let him take it! Taking! Hey, no, I have no, man. You know. You ran. him up, Will.
They got some good guns too, huh? Hear how they ricochet and stuff? From all tapping,
Hey, we need more people over the side. We got two over here. Hey, get over. Hey, Mike.
As you see, there's like these black things right there that are sideways, black barrels that are sideways. That looks like a place where Matthew likes to go to. Oh, okay, and it's. Oh yeah, that's him over there. Yeah. There's Matthew over there by the tires. Way over there by the tires. Yeah, yeah. Did you see that one guy knock over those barrels? That was funny. Oh yeah, yeah, yeah. I got that one. That was funny. Oh shoot! That one made it over the fence. All right, Matthew's on the move. Matthew's on the move. Oh yeah, see, he's closer to us now. See, there he is, right there now. He's behind that giant spool now. Paper, and it was it didn't have anybody's name on it. Hey, so did you have a good time out there? Yeah.
There's an area there covered with like mesh things so the babies won't go through. You guys should come over there and watch.
Oh really? We were able to see you over there by the spindles.